Yes. Can you come with me? I want to check down there. Mountains like this and the valley. You have two mountains.
Tolga, come. Want to talk with you.
Even on the border in Syria. When you have the highest mountains.
Ask to wait a second before talking.
No, we are here.
Okay.
We are here. We are not going anywhere.
Another head. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 44, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2.
Lloyd, can you say something about what we have found here? What species it is and what conservation status they have in the UK?
Well, we've just counted over 70 wings. We were here 2 days ago. There was I was shocked 2 days ago. There was a small area here where we counted, I think, nearly 20 corpses. As I say, now we have 70 wings. As you can see, there's down plumage everywhere. Breeding population of honey buzzards in the UK is between, well, it's around 40-50 pairs, I believe. So I mean, just in this one location, we're in one of potentially 30 hotspot areas. This one spot alone represents more than the entire breeding population of the UK. It's just completely horrific. I don't know what else to say. I'm completely gobsmacked.
Here's a campsite. This is the first time we're coming here, but the other day there was a lot of shooting, as you can see from the cartridges on the floor. And then there is two honey buzzards. The police doesn't want to come down here for some reason. Three.
Birds. We've had 2 shooters down here. The police refused to come with us, saying that the upper region was a different district where we found the 70 corpses. We've just stopped these 2 hunters. One guy's just walked up the hill. Tolga and Axel are now speaking to this guy. Meanwhile, we've just had 30 plus honey buzzards just fly overhead, and at least these birds haven't been shot at.
Oh shit, one is going down.
Famous last words, they make it to the next ridge, and there we go.
No, what? Both, 2.
Both. Okay, we've got over 30 birds of prey passing. We're 200-300 metres from where we just were. The police are refusing to come down just as we were filming a bird being shot down. There. See, they're falling now.
Let's hope this survives.
And again.
Well, this one would get very low, very low. The police is not here.
Whoa. Oh.
Oh wow, it will get, it's extremely low.
Oh shit.
We just arrived in this parking lot, and
It's a public place here.
Unbelievable.
These were the birds we saw falling down half an hour ago.
Are they freshly killed?
They're freshly killed. This one still warm. You see the eyes are still open. Rigos mortar has not yet started.
And we hear the shooting.
And now they're shooting on this other side. I think there are many hundred honey buzzards have been killed here this morning, and the slaughter is going on. Look, look, look here. They're
Unbelievable.
So today is Sunday the 10th of September 2017, and we have day number 3 here in Aghbeh. On the 2 other days we already found the remains of about 50 honey buzzards, and today we found more than 70 wings, all of freshly shot honey buzzards. You can see the wings here, the heads, some of them really very fresh, some 1 or 2 days old. We had a very strong passage of honey buzzards this morning, and we saw the hunters shooting down, I think, nearly every second bird. It was a massacre, and we called the police. And first, nobody arrived. They were telling us that they are not responsible for that area. Finally, 3 policemen came, but they left us after half an hour, and they took one hunter, and he receives a verbal warning. But we spoke to many hunters as well, and they are absolutely not aware that they are not allowed to shoot them, and they are not aware of what kind of damage they are causing to the populations. I think the whole team is in a state of shock.
Who have $400, he go, and I pay for my gun. Turkish card? 3,000. 3,000. Turkish card? Yeah. Every person in Lebanon who has $400, he goes and take a 6 cartouche gun, okay, and come 4 or 5.